How to fix invalid destination address in Huawei mobile phone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on mobile network. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning on or off your airplane mode, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. Again click on apps and search here messages. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear your messages cache. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on reset. After that, you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.